recording. Okay, Assalamualaikum, and we continue again. Now kita pergi ke next numbering system, which is hexadecimal. Okay, in the hexadecimal system, okay, the numbers is actually representing by the base 16. Okay, so base 16 ni, okay, so they are the values. Okay, the values is start from 0 to 15. So value dia start dengan kosong sampai 15. Okay, so in order for you to convert, okay, the decimal number to the hexadecimal numbers, so you basically student are preferable using division method instead of place value method. Okay, because when you divide by the bigger numbers, so the numbers is become smaller. Okay, alright, so this example, okay, of 21, you divided into hexadecimal. So when you convert, okay, the base 10 to the decimal number to the hexadecimal, you have to ensure that, okay, the values from the remember the tables, okay, the decimal numbers, okay, from 0 to 9, okay, of decimal number, okay, is the same like in the hexa, okay, same on the hexa, okay, but okay, when the values of 10 in hexa is represented by character A, alright, 11 represented by B, okay, 12, okay, equivalent to C, and 13 represented by D, 14 divided by E, and the 15 divided by F. So the 0 to 9, okay, the values are same as the decimal number, but when the values start with 10 in decimal number, the numbers on hexa is replaced by the letter of A. Okay, 10 equals to A, 11 represented by B, 12 represented by C, 13 represented by D, 14 is represented by E, and 15, you have to remember this. Okay, alright, in order for you to know the hexadecimal numbers. So macam mana you nak convert? Okay, you convert 21 ni, okay, kepada ni you bahagilah. So 21 you divide by 16. Okay, you dapat the answer is 1. Okay, this one, okay, and the balance is 5. And then this answer, you divide by 16, you will get 0, and the balance or remainder here, okay, normally kita panggil dia sebagai remainder. Okay, this remainder, okay, kita akan ambil as your answer. Okay, for example, when you write down, again, when you do division, make sure the numbers most significant bit must be at the bottom and the least significant bit at the top. So the way you write down is from the bottom to the top. Okay, so your answer will be 1, 5 base 16. Okay, bukan F bukan. This is the digit 1, 5 base 16. Okay, alright. Same goes. For example, when you have a okay, 49 for example. Okay, I give you another example. Okay, 49 base 10, you want to convert into the base 16. Okay, so you have 49. Okay, sorry, 49. Okay, kita padam sekejap. Okay. Okay, 49. Okay, you divide by 16. Okay, so what's your answer? 49 divided by 16. Okay, you have 32. 48. Numbers. Kali 3 48. So 3 here. Okay, 3. 48. Okay, you have a balance of 1. Okay, so 3 divided by 16. Okay, you got 0. Okay, remaining kosong. Segitiga. Okay, 3. So the answer should be top to bottom. So your answer will be 3, 1 base 16. Okay. Alright. For example, okay, let's say for example the remainder is 13 for example. So this 13 for example, you have to change into the letter which is D. So jawapan awak jadi D1. Okay, alright. Okay, let me give some another example. We have remainder um, more than uh, more than mm, okay. So macam saya cakap tadi, kalau if your answer, your reminder to is more than 10, for example, or 10 above, okay, so your answer you have to replace with the letter. Okay, contohnya kalau kasi reminder you, okay, reminder here katakanlah 13 not the exact one, 13. Okay, for example, this 13 you have to change into the D. So your answer should be D1 base 16. Okay, so example. Okay, if your reminder if more than 10. Okay, more than 10. Start dari 10 lah. Kalau ni 10, okay, jadi kalau sini 10, so jadi A lah. Okay, so 1A, 1B, for example. Okay, example lah. Okay, how you convert the decimals to hexa. Right? Okay, so this is how you convert from the base 10, okay, into decimal numbers, okay, with the floating numbers to the hexadecimal. So for this here, okay, it's recommended for you to change all these decimal to the to the binary first, and from the binary you change into the hexadecimal. Okay. So for example here, 21 divided by 21.25. Okay, you want to change to hexadecimal. So macam biasa, before floating and after floating. Alright, so before floating 21 you bagi macam biasa, okay, using a division method. So you akan dapat 10101 base 2, okay, and 0.25 you multiply manually, okay, you times, okay, you akan dapat, okay, 1, okay, from the top bottom 0 1, okay, 0 1 here, okay, right. Okay, 0.01. Okay, all right. So you go combine this one. So 10101.0100 base 2. You change into the this binary. Then baru you convert into the hexa. How? Okay. So example here. Okay. All right. So 10101.01. Okay, here. All right. So you kena tukar dia. Okay, kepada 2. Okay, this is before floating and after floating. Okay, before floating and after floating. Okay, so kita tahu, okay, dalam hexadecimal, okay, so one hexadecimal, okay, one hexadecimal, okay, one hexa equals to 2 to the power of 4. So maknanya satu digit of hexa adalah bersamaan dengan 4 digit dalam binary. So therefore bila kita nak convert daripada binary kepada hexa, you kena convert, okay, 4 digit. Every 4 digit equivalent to 1 hexa. So from here kita buat beza dia left to right. Okay, from right to the left. Bila kita cut, it must be left to the right. So kita potong 1, 2, 3, 4. Potong 1, 2, 3, 4. Kita tambah je kosong sebelah kiri. Okay, untuk yang before floating So before floating kita kena potong daripada kanan ke kiri 4 digit. Kenapa 4 digit? Sebab satu hexa sama dengan 2 to the power of 4 dalam binary number. So that's why 4 lah. Okay, so yang that's why dekat sini kita banyak gunakan floating, kita gunakan placing value method, okay, supaya kamu boleh nampak. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so we dapat 1, this 5, and this point. How about the floating number? Okay, untuk floating number, you cut daripada kiri ke kanan. So that's why ada arrow ni, dari kiri ke kanan. So 0, 1 tak cukup. So you tambah 0, 0. Mesti 4 dia mesti 4 juga. Daripada kiri ke kanan, okay, mesti 4 juga. So you potong lah. Okay, okay, supaya tak keliru. So you start daripada 1, 2. Okay, macam biasa value dia 1, 2, 4, 8. So you dapat 4. So your answer will be 15.4 base 16. So that's why you'll get the answer of 21.25 equals to 15.4 base 16. So the way you cut here must be from before floating mesti right to the left. 4, 4. Kalau tak cukup, yang sebelah ni tak cukup, you tambah kosong sebelah kiri. Mesti cukup 4. Okay. Sama juga, okay, tetapi untuk after floating, pastikan, okay, okay, after floating, okay, pastikan you punya mesti daripada kanan ke kiri, okay, sorry, daripada kiri ke kanan, start daripada kiri ke kanan, 4 digit. Kalau ada lagi, 1, potong lagi. 4, 4. Macam biasa. 4, 4. So, 0, 1. Tak cukup. So, tambah lagi 0 sebelah kanan. Okay. Berapa banyak kosong bergantung. Tapi mesti 4, 4. 4 digit. Kenapa 4 digit? Kita tahu satu hexa sama dengan 2 to the power of 4 digit dalam binary. Jadi, kita kena tukar dia daripada binary kepada hexa. So, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so value, ini value. Apa? Value mesti start daripada kanan. So 1, 2, 4, 8 dalam binary. So kita dapat 4. So is 15.4 base 16. So macam ni lah you calculate, okay, the numbers to the decimal numbers to hexa. Okay, this is how you convert, okay, from the hexa to the decimal number. Okay, so ini sama juga. Okay, kita gunakan multiplication method. So every digit in the hexa, you change into the power of 16. So this is 16 power of 0, 16 power of 1. So E times 16 power of 1 plus 5 times 16 of the 0. So this E represented by 14. So 14 times 16 plus 5 times 1. So you akan dapat 224 plus 5. You got 229, okay, base 10. So this is how you convert from the base 16 to the hexadecimal to the decimal number. Alright, so now we have, okay, the hexadecimal numbers but in the floating points numbers. Okay, so this one, okay, it's recommended you change bila ada floating points dalam base 16 atau base octal, it's recommended for you to use change into a binary, and daripada binary you tukar dia kepada decimal. Okay, lebih mudah. Okay, so for example here E5.A at A8 base 16. So this one you convert into a binary. So 1 hexadecimal sama dengan 4 binary. So cara dia ialah you convert dia ialah, okay, nampak sini E5, okay, potong point, okay, A8, okay, alright. So sini, okay, here, alright. So 5, okay, is a base 16. Okay, ni semua base 16 base 16. So you tukar dia kepada binary. So you boleh tukar kepada ni 1, 2, 4, 8. E, tak apa, 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, mungkin tak nampak. Okay, mungkin tak nampak ya. Okay, saya padam sekejap. Okay, macam mana nak convert ni? Mungkin ada yang pening sikit. Okay, sebenarnya senang je, tak susah pun. Okay, alright. So, saya buat kat sini lah ya. Okay, E5.8 A8. Okay, so this one. Okay. Okay, so every digit, this is one hexadecimal. This is all hexadecimal number. So, tak kisah you boleh buat start daripada mana-mana. Okay, tapi make sure bila you buat before floating, okay, so make sure daripada kanan ke kiri. And then, you represent it, okay, satu hexa sama dengan 4 digit dalam binary. So, you buat 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, because you total up, this is 15 already. Okay, so E, okay, sama juga 1, 2, 4, 8. Sama juga sini, start dari mana? Value, ni value 4, 8. Sini pun 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so how you get this binary number? Okay, mana-mana nak start boleh. For example E. Okay, E adalah 14. So bila kita, macam mana kita nak turn on 14? Kita on 8, kita on 4, baru 8 campur 4, 12. 12 campur 2, 14. So kita dapat 0. Okay, sini. Alright. So you dapat 110. Okay. And then 5, kita turn on 4, kita turn on 1. Sebab 4 campur 1 adalah 5. So 8 dengan 2 ni kita offkan dia. Okay, sama juga A adalah 10. Okay, dalam decimal value. So 8 nak dapat 10 macam mana? Kita on 8, kita on 2. Sebab 8 campur 2 adalah 10. So 4 dan 1 ni kita akan kosongkan. Okay, sama juga dekat sini. 8, kita on 8, the rest will be 0. So this value, jangan lupa titik peluang kita. Okay, so you akan dapat 110.10101000. So this is how you divide it. Okay, ini 5 ni adalah daripada sini. Okay, E adalah ni, A adalah ini, dan 8 adalah ini. Okay, alright. Okay, so you dapat dah binary number. What shall you do? Okay, so this one, okay, sebab floating floating dia lebih mudah dalam binary instead of 16. Sebab it's not possible you get 16 power of -1. Okay, sangat susah. Okay, jadi kita ambil binary number. So here, okay, you convert dia macam biasa kepada decimal. Gunakan division method, multiplication method. And then after floating ni, pun sama, you gunakan multiplication method. Tapi start daripada kiri ke kanan. Okay. Alright. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. You timeskan dengan, okay, after floating 1 is times power of negative 1. Okay. Yang ini. Okay. Okay. 1 ni ini. Okay. Kosong ni ini. Okay. 1 ni ini. Okay, yang the rest tu 0 pun tak payahlah buat sebab apa-apa darab will be 0. So, 1 times the power of 2. Okay, how dapat half? 1 power 8. 1 power of 2 power 5. You akan dapat tukar daripada dalam float numbers. Okay, you dapat 0.65625. And these numbers, you combinekan dengan the binary yang tadi you dah tukarkan kepada decimal, which is 229.65625. So this is how you convert from the hexadecimal points to the decimal number. Okay, first you have to convert this decimal number to the binary number, and from the binary number you use a multiplication method, okay, to convert to the decimal. Okay. Yang penting sebelum, before floating and after floating. Dan satu lagi, make sure you convert the hexa to the binary correctly. So that barulah you boleh dapat jawapan dengan lebih mudah. Okay. So macam mana kita nak convert directly daripada base 16 kepada base 2. Okay, 16 base, okay, 16, okay, this hexadecimal to base 2 and the base 8. Okay. So example here, F1 16 to the binary. So F1 base 16. So you split these two into two numbers. Okay, 2 digit ni into different numbers. Okay. So, alright. So the base 16. Okay. So hexa to the binary, 1 hexa. Okay, macam cakap tadi. 2 binary is to the power of 4. So you have 4 binary. Okay, 4 binary. Okay. Alright, so bila you convert from hexa to the binary, so you ambil F1, okay, so this is F and then this one, okay, you tukar dia, which is 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. So F adalah 15. So bila 15, you on semualah. 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay, sama juga dengan 1. 1 you on kan 1, the rest you put 0. So you akan dapat jawapan 11100001. Okay, base 2. Okay, this is how you convert from the hexadecimal to the binary. How about the octal to the binary? Untuk octal pun, 1 octal ialah 8. Okay, octal adalah 8. So 1 octal equals to the power of 3. Okay, in the binary. So they need a 3 bits of binary. Here. So, bila dia perlukan 3 bits of binary, when you convert the octal numbers, 1 digit equals to 3 of bit in the binary. So, you akan dapat, okay, kita tahu values of base 8 adalah 7, maximum. So, 0 hingga 7. So, bila kita on, the values of in the binary is 1, 2, 4. Okay, because when you add, its maximum is 7. Again, 1, 2, 4. Okay. 1 to 4. So you buat ni 1 to 4. Okay, so you on nampak ni dia on 4. Okay, 1 kali 4, 4. Okay, 4 campur 2 adalah 6. So you akan dapat balik 6, 4 bis 8. So your answer will be 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 base 2 in the binary. Okay. So this is how you convert from the octal to binary. So kena remember lah, 1 octal equals to the power of 3 of binary. Contohnya kalau you ada 173 base 8, so you pecahkan dia kepada 3 bahagian. Okay, satu digit adalah 3 bits, 1 digit of octal sama dengan 3 bits of binary. So you start dengan 1, 2, 4. Ini pun 1, 2, 4. Ini pun 1, 2, 4. Okay, so ni nak nilai dia 1. So 1 you on lah sini. 0, 0, 0, 7, 1, 1, 1. 3 adalah you on 2 dan you on 1. 4, the rest will 0. So you dapat binary of 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So you'll get answer of 1,1,1,0,1,1 base 2. Okay, so you can check with the calculator, scientific calculator. Alright, now the six, okay, the numbers of this octal to the binary, you will get the same answer. Okay. Okay, as a conclusion, okay, when you do a conversion, when you convert the decimal numbers to any bases, you can, it's easier for you using a division method. Passive value method is recommended only for using binary, octal or hexa numbers. For any other bases, that is recommended for you to use a division method. And for the when you convert it into from the base to the decimal numbers, you use a multiplication method. Okay, so this is exercise. Okay, at the end of this class, I want you to do this kind of exercise and post it into a stream in your Google Classroom. And this exercise is individual. You can use your handwriting. Okay, you just use handwriting and show your works for every converting this value. Okay, all right. So that's all.